Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying hardware and drivers. Do this first. Plug in headphones or speakers, then select the correct playback device in sound settings so Windows routes audio correctly. Once done, open Device Manager and update or reinstall the audio driver. This fixes corrupt codecs and driver conflicts. Make sure volume mixers and app-specific levels aren't muted. If you have USB audio, try a different port. These steps solve the majority of basic routing and driver causes quickly and reliably. Next, focus on software settings and processing. You should inspect the playback device's properties and toggle audio enhancements. Some cause distortion, while others improve clarity, so test both states. Then set the sample rate and bit depth to standard 44, 1 kHz or 48 kHz to avoid resampling artifacts. Also check the specific app's output device. Once mismatched, apps can bypass system settings. If you use EQ or effects, lower extreme boosts. These adjustments eliminate most software-induced noise. Finally, isolate and resolve stubborn problems. You should swap cables or try another headset to rule out faulty hardware. If the sound is clean elsewhere, replace the bad part. To remove hum, unplug nearby chargers, use shielded cables, and check grounding. Ground loops are common culprits. If problems persist, plug in a USB DAC or external sound card to bypass the internal codec. When all else fails, do a clean driver reinstall. And if it still fails, the audio chipset may be defective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.